2 days now that we're dealing with snowstorm here in Alaska. And yesterday we have 12 inches of snow literally. And today we have another 4 to 6 inches added to that from yesterday. So the highway and the road, the public roads are already been shoveled by the government service for the road clean out. But here in our house, we have literally the foot inch in our driveway right here. So I'm going to shovel a little bit so it get cleaned up. So when we walk in here, um, we're not gonna get soaked with the snow. So I'm gonna start right here. So I'm gonna plow this to the side. So when we walk here, we're not gonna be covered with snow in our boots. I mean, we have snow boots, but it's really hard to walk when your driveway is really covered with thick snow. So I'm cleaning our driveway here and our walkway. So right here is our walkway going to our house. So I can't shovel all of this because there's a lot of them. So I'm just gonna make a little path for our driveway to walk in. So usually, if there's too much of the snow, we'll just hire somebody that has a plow truck to come in our driveway here to help us. And if you can see our roof right here,